Method 1. Open settings. Tap on system. Now scroll down. Tap on troubleshoot. Now tap on other troubleshooters. In Windows Update, tap on run. After that, restart your device. Method 2. Search for services. Open services. Find Windows Update. Right click. Now tap on properties and make sure startup type is automatic. If not, then set it to automatic. Then click on apply. Now click on this restart. Now find background intelligent transfer services. Scroll up. This is background intelligent transfer services. Right click on it. Tap on properties. Now make sure startup type is automatic. So now it is manual. So we select it to automatic. Now click on apply. After this, restart your device and check your problem is solved or not. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.